We are here at Stanwick Lakes. As you can imagine, being lakes, there is a lot of waterfowl. And that is the aim of today. Let's take some beautiful pictures of birds, right? And anything else we might see. If we get lucky, Chinese water deer will be absolutely class. On the list, though, I do have requested pochards or pockards. Let me know how I pronounce it. That would be epic to see. But already, I'm across from the visitor centre that's behind me. Some beautiful birds already. So let's start showing some photos, right? Already some beautiful wildlife. Tufted duck, nice to see one that's in its male plumage. Looks really, really cool. Did see a female shoveler, couldn't focus enough on it, but it's pretty cool to get a shoveler, my first shoveler, so hopefully we can get some footage of that pretty soon. But really, really good start. Looks like we've got some gulls, black-headed gulls in there, non-breeding plumage, and it's weird because obviously no black head, you've got a little bit around the eyes and that's it. But gorgeous bird. So I'm moving now, it's called the winter wetland. Coming here now, see what I can see. Directly, that little dinosaur. That's pretty cool. But as you can see around here, it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna hang about in here, keep quiet, see what we can see, right? This looks like a really good location for quite a good few species. Fingers crossed for a bit of luck. Well, it's good to get some of the long-tailed tits, right? Definitely becoming a favourite bird of mine. Definitely up there anyway. Such social little birds. Obviously, you find them in quite a few numbers together, and they're quite noisy, and they're instantly recognisable. They almost look like a little plush toy, or a little Pokemon. I don't know what your thoughts are, but definitely up there. Definitely love hearing them. Definitely love seeing them. Long may it continue, right? But yeah, let me know your thoughts. You a big fan of long-tailed tits? I know I am. Well, I hope you can hear that noise. Just wanted to show it to you. There's so many long-tailed tits around here, it's unbelievable. And they're absolutely fascinating. You see them darting about. Obviously, they're noticeable with their noise, but their tail obviously more so, tail being bigger than body. But that's what makes it all worth it, right? Either way, let's keep going, see what else we can get. I think we can say it's safe to assume that was worth going up that way. Quite happy with that. So it is cloudy today, ISO is very high, so things aren't going to be as sharp as I want them to be. But that's okay. But some new species ticked off the list. You know, northern shoveler, amazing, and also getting the little grebe. Always had crested grebes, but never the little grebe. It's been nice to get the little grebe. And now as I'm walking back through, birds are kicking off, but importantly, long-tailed tits are back. But yeah, this is good. that's a huge amount of Canada goose. Obviously a bird that's not native, initially introduced to the UK, I believe about 300 years ago, but numbers started booming, I believe just after the Second World War. Obviously, not always great because there's so many of them and they do outcompete some of our native species. But bird-wise, they're absolutely beautiful. They do look incredible. So it's nice to have a bit of interaction with them. I don't know what your thoughts are. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on Canada goose. Obviously very noisy, but very distinct. So if you're new to bird watching, an easy one to pick out, right? Well, what a nice way to spend 2 hours. I was hoping to end the video with a bit of a bang, but unfortunately, it doesn't always go that way. Setti's warbler was definitely teasing me. Very noisy. Kept looking around. Fortunately, seemed to have disappeared. But that would be a cool way to end. But what do you think about? A few things coming up. So the next few weeks, I am heading off in a bit of warm weather. We are going to Lanzarote and we're going to do some birding there. Anything if you've seen there and you've been there, anything birding wise that you think is definitely a must, let me know in the comments. We are going to create a list for Lanzarote. Not going to be extensive of 10, and although over 10 is not doing well at the moment, let's be honest. But let's get 5 birds that we want to see. Because that would be cool, right? Nevertheless, please make sure you do subscribe if you are new. Helps out immensely. You have no idea how much it helps out creators. Drop the video a like as well. Also helps out massively, as well as a cheeky little comment. But I do appreciate anything. Anyway, watch this video here. YouTube says you like it. Right, bye.